In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly switch models in Gemini AI without mouse click. If you want to stay entirely on the keyboard and keep your flow fast and distraction-free, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from opening your Gemini account to switching models with simple text commands, no mouse required. Start by opening your Gemini account in your browser and signing in so you're ready to type. Once you're on the main page, move your cursor into the search or message bar, the same box where you normally write your prompts. Everything we're about to do happens in that single field, and you won't need to click any menus. To switch to the faster response mode, type @fast right into the bar and press enter. That's it. You've just issued a keyboard-only command to change the model. After you press enter, continue by typing your actual prompt as you normally would. You should notice that responses begin quickly, which is exactly the point of using the fast mode when you want rapid answers or you're iterating on ideas. You'll typically see a small confirmation or a subtle visual cue indicating that the model has switched. But even if you don't, the behavior should feel noticeably snappier. If it doesn't, double-check your spelling of the command and press enter again from the message bar. Keeping the command on its own line before your prompt helps make the switch clear. Now, if you want to change the model again, this time to prioritize deeper, more deliberate reasoning, type @thinking in the same message bar and press enter. Just like before, follow it with your prompt. You don't need to click anywhere or open a menu. The switch happens from the keyboard. This mode is especially helpful when you're tackling complex questions, want more structured reasoning, or you're reviewing multi-step logic. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure each command, like @fast or @thinking, goes in the message bar before you type your question. If the switch doesn't seem to register, resend the command on a new line and press enter again. And remember, you can switch back and forth at any time. Use @fast when speed matters and @thinking when depth matters. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, type @fast and press enter to go fast, and type @thinking and press enter when you want more thoughtful analysis, all without touching the mouse. Practice it a couple of times and it will become second nature.